What's going on? This is Jason from G Style Magazine. So I've had the Kwikset Kevo Gen 1 for a long time now, but I'm kind of always on a hunt, looking for something newer to add to my home. I'm always in the process of evolving my house, make it even smarter. So I've had the Gen 1 for a long time now, and I've been thinking I kind of want to upgrade. So recently I picked up the Kwikset Kevo Gen 2, which was released in 2016. Okay, I get it. You might be asking, why would I get a device that was released in 2016 and 2020? Well, like I said, I've been looking for different items to replace it with, but I never really found one that had, to me, what I thought was the best method for unlocking your front door. And that, my friends, is simply to just tap your lock and go in. So I went and searched the top smart locks for 2020, and there's definitely a good amount of decent ones out there. But the majority of them, they kind of have keypads. And I get it, okay? Not having to take out your key or using your phone as your key is definitely convenient. But you know what's really even more convenient? Just tapping your lock and letting it unlock for you. This is kind of where the Kevo comes in, and why I still think for 2020 that the Kevo is the best kind of smart lock out there in terms of ease of use and convenience. See, the Kevo lock is Bluetooth based. So once you install the app on your phone and then you set it up, your phone becomes your e-key. So all you gotta do is kind of tap the lock. It'll detect your phone or e-key attached to your phone, and right from your pocket, you can open the door. So the Kevo has all the same features as a lot of the smart locks on the market, like the ability to send e-keys to other people, or with an additional adapter, you can remotely unlock or lock your door. Now for me personally, I don't really need the additional adapter because I don't really need the ability to remotely lock or unlock my door. I kind of just want to walk up, tap, and kind of walk in. This is especially the case when I have like a lot of packages or heavy boxes. And I don't really want to have to like punch in a code or reach for my phone. It just isn't conducive to how I live. Now, before I wrap this up, if you're enjoying this video, be sure to give a like and subscribe for more. And if you happen to want to be notified when there's new videos coming out, go ahead and give that bell icon a click as well. So the Kevo Gen 2 can probably be bought now for about $190 to $220, depending on what sales is out there. If you're interested, we'll have the link in the description below. Some Amazon reviews have not been kind to this device, but honestly, I haven't had no issues with it. Yes, there's been some tap misses here and there, but definitely not enough to persuade me not to pick up the Gen 2 model. But what about you? What smart locks are you looking at or debating on purchasing right now? Or have you already purchased one? Let us know in the comments below. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.